Fully furnished, modern corner house dito sa BF Homes Parañaque. May 6 bedrooms, plus maid's room and driver's room. Pasukin natin. May 4-car garage, may garden. At pagpasok mo, may double height ceiling. As in, kasama na lahat ng gamit na nakikita nyo. At merong solar power, kaya kahit nakabukas ang AC 24/7, okay lang. Ganda ng layout ng bahay na to. Ito yung kanyang lanay. Sama na yung TV at yung malaking speaker. 10-seater ang iyong dining set at ang laki ng iyong kitchen. Ganda rin ang design. May mga CCTV na rin tong bahay na to at premium finishes. Ito ang kanyang ground floor bedroom. Kaya panoorin nyo yung full house tour nito sa YouTube channel ng Home Search Philippines. Yung price and details nasa comment section. Bye!